preparing to cook now for our dinner. You know, ang laki oh. Organic bitter gourd. Now first this big one. Ang laki. Ayan oh. Konti lang yung seeds niya. Then, slice natin. After ko slice ito, then ibabad ko sa asin. I will soak with the salt. So, after 10 minutes din, I will lamasin ba yung squeeze para matanggal-tanggal yung pait. I think this two is enough. And this one, no need because this is already too much. So, ito yung ricados. O, tingnan nyo ang bawang, ginger, sibuyas. Ayun ko yung sang kamatis. Ayan. Lagyan ko na ng asin. Ibabad ko muna ng 10 minutes. Tapos, pipigain ko ito para mawala yung pait. Ayan. Leave for 10 minutes. Now we have to squeeze now. I add more half. So this one tomorrow I will cook for my own recipe. I already squeeze it. So this is the juice. Ayan ang daming juice. And then we have to wash again this one. And then bigain ulit. Let's start now to saute onions and garlics. Now we are cooking here in chimney so we can save gasol.
Yes, sir.
After brown garlics and onions, then we put this masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and then cherry tomatoes with green chilies. Now, we have to put now this minced meat. I boiled this one, minced meat. Yeah. Then after, I will put this bitter gourd or krili, ampalaya. After I half fry this bitter gourd, this one I use here, and then I strain it, then I put already here. I did not big video at the time when I'm frying this bitter gourd because no more time. So this is already the result. This is already cooked. I cook here in chimney instead of gasol, so can be save gasol, gas cylinder. Now we have to put now this fresh coriander leaves or parsley. So our dinner is ready. And then I have also rice last night, plau, because I cook also plau last night, chicken plau, chicken potato plau, so no need to cook rice. See, there is still chicken, and I make already chapati for my husband, for langga for Fahad, and for Fatma. If they want to eat rice, then there is also rice here. Our viand for dinner is ready. This is organic bitter gourd with minced meat toppings with coriander leaves. And I cook here in chimney instead of gasol to save gasol. Ito yung extra na niluto ko kagabi, hindi namin naubos. So, ang gagawin ko dito ay ipapainit ko na lang para ulam namin for lunch. So, this is still too much. So. Ayan. Ang ano pala, ang bitter gourd or ampalaya krili na ito ay hindi mapait kasi yun nga, ano, binabad ko sa sa asin ng 10 minutes, then after 10 minutes ini-squeeze ko, pinigaan ko, kaya nakikita nyo naman siguro yung yung natural juice niya kasi nilagyan ko ng asin. And then after ko ng pinigaan, hinugasan ko ulit ng one time, kaya hindi mapait. Kaya gusto nila ni Langga, ni Fahad at saka si Fatma. Kasi hindi daw mapait. And then may sahog din na minced meat, kima. Kaya masarap. Ayan. Ayan, marami pa ito. Maybe there's still more extra for our dinner again. So, ewan ko kung ano naman lulutuin for dinner. Ano talaga, nakaka-tension kung ano ang mga lulutuin. Pagdating ng hapon o kaya tanghali, mag-iisip na naman kung anong lulutuin. But for breakfast, hindi naman masyado kasi ang breakfast naman kasi ay lang, tea with paratha o kaya chapati. Yun lang, tanghali at saka gabi. Yun, uulamin. Kaya mahirap mag-isip kung ano talaga yung uulamin. Buti na lang may mga gulay-gulay kami na mga organic. Kaya kung wala talaga akong maluto, takbo ako doon sa baba at maghanap ng mga lulutuin, mga dahon-dahon. Ayun, makakasurvive na din. So, alhamdulillah.